sloth, the essence of slow living. Unlock the mysteries of nature's quiet guardians.
By AI for Kids. Welcome to the world of sloths, where the beauty of nature unfolds at a gentle pace. This book takes you on a journey through the lives of these endearing mammals, their ecological importance, and their symbolic value in a fast-paced world. By learning about sloths' unique behaviors and challenges, we find inspiration in their mindful existence, encouraging a slower, more harmonious way of living. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
Swimming Wonders, the adaptable sloth.
In the lush rainforests of Central and South America, a sloth slowly makes its way along the canopy. Its slow-paced journey is mesmerizing yet deceptive, for while sloths are languid on land, they are remarkably adept swimmers. Their long limbs act as efficient paddles, propelling them swiftly through rivers. This unexpected aquatic grace offers them an escape from predators, showcasing nature's ingenuity in evolution. Through the water, they move with a fluidity that belies their terrestrial sluggishness.
As the sloth dips into the river, its limbs spread wide like elegant wings. It glides effortlessly, leaving gentle ripples behind. The forest's choreography continues undisturbed, as if acknowledging the sloth's dual talents on land and in water. For a creature of my kind, the water is my swift dance, a hidden talent known to few.
Cloaked in green, nature's own nursery.
Gently swaying with the breeze, a sloth's fur appears tinged with green. A closer look reveals a thriving ecosystem upon its back, algae intermingling with the brownish-gray fur. This symbiotic relationship provides camouflage, blending the sloth seamlessly with the verdant forest. Not merely a coat, but a living world where moths lay eggs and algae finds its home, turning the sloth into a small, moving ecosystem.
The sloth hangs silently, a portrait of life within life. Its fur dances briefly in the sunlight, a testament to nature's intricate balance. My fur, my shelter, my hidden world of green, unseen companions on this slow journey.
Night wanderers, beneath the moonlit canopy.
When the vibrant hues of the day cede to the silvery calm of night, sloths awaken. Under the canopy shadows, they unfurl from their slumber, embarking on their nocturnal routine. These solitary beings glide amidst the branches, seeking the choicest leaves that make up their staple diet. Quiet and contemplative, they are the sentinels of tranquility, guardians of the night and the peaceful rhythm it brings.
With the rising moon, the forest breathes a deeper melody. The sloth's deliberate pace through the branches is a gentle lullaby to the night itself. Entwined with the quiet of night, amidst the foliage I journey. A whisper in the grand symphony of dark.
Nature as recluse, embracing solitude.
In the tapestry of bustling wildlife, the sloth finds serenity in solitude. Preferring the company of leaves and whispers of the wind, it traverses life mostly alone. This introspective nature sets it apart. The sloth's world is one of quiet contemplation, with no rush and little fear. Even in reproduction, the bond shared between mothers and offspring stands as a testament to the beauty of patient kinship and slow unfolding attachment.
High above, Amidst whispering leaves, the sloth pauses. Alone, yet at peace in its deliberate existence. In these moments of stillness, I find the universe cradling my silence.
Guardians of green, sloths in nature's cycle.
Despite their slow nature, sloths play a pivotal role in their ecosystem. Their diet of leaves helps manage foliage density, serving as natural pruners within the rainforest. The presence of these gentle herbivores influences the plant dynamics, promoting healthy forest regeneration. As prey, sloths enrich the food web, providing sustenance to creatures like harpy eagles, and contributing to the cycle of life.
High above, the rainforest buzzes with life. Yet, it is the deliberate calm of the sloth that enriches its foundations, ever so subtly shaping the world around. Amidst forests vast and grand, my slow dance nurtures the silent symphony of life.
Faces of danger, protecting sloth's future.
Sloths face manifold threats in the modern world, from deforestation to habitat fragmentation. While some species like the pygmy three-toed sloth are critically endangered, others still face challenges. Conservation efforts strive to secure their future, dedicating resources to preserve vital habitats. Yet, the slow-moving sloth teaches resilience, its very existence a testament to enduring against odds.
In the delicate web of life, sloths tread quietly on thin margins. Their future rests in nurturing hands exploring ways to harmonize development and conservation. The trees rise taller where hope takes root. Let futures grow bright for those who inch slowly.
More than a symbol, emblem of calm.
In a fast-paced world, sloths embody tranquility and the power of slowing down. Their unhurried lifestyle resonates universally, making them cultural symbols of peace and relaxation. Through media and merchandise, sloths inspire people to embrace the beauty of patience and mindful living. They remind us that sometimes, the slow path is the most enriching one.
The sloth's gentle movements invite reflection, an emblem of life's richness not in speed, but in gentle presence. Within my slow embrace, hearts find calm. In life's haste, remember the beauty of an unhurried gaze.
The cycle of life, a mother's embrace.
In the depths of the forest, a quiet miracle unfolds, a sloth mother and her young. As the baby clings tightly to her, every slow, deliberate move is a lesson in security and patience. Over months, this tiny creature learns the ropes of sloth life, embracing each moment with instinctual ease. As it matures, the bond releases like the gentle unfolding of leaves, until the young sloth takes its own path into the canopy.
Among emerald leaves, the life cycle of a sloth spins its gentle tale, a story of nurturing bonds that whisper strength through time's slow turns. In her warmth, I find the strength to grow. One day, my slow steps will write their part in the forest's melody.